Lark Rising Studios. In this tutorial, we're going to learn all about how to do chain stitch. Chain stitch is a really cool line stitch with lots of great texture that ends up looking like the links of a chain. This is a stitch that can look daunting for beginning stitchers, but we're going to break it down into just a few easy steps. Here's how to do it. For chain stitch, I find it really helpful to hold your hoop in a way that has the line you intend to stitch pointed directly away from you. Pull your needle up through the fabric to begin, and then go ahead and reinsert your needle back through the same hole in the fabric that your thread is coming out of. But don't pull the needle through to the back of the fabric. Instead, use your finger on the back side of the hoop to guide the tip of the needle back out. So just a little section of fabric is covering part of your needle. Then wrap the thread around the tip of the needle and then pull the needle out. This motion will create the first link in your chain. Once you've done this, you're going to need to use your fingernail to scoot that chain link over just a bit so you can see where your thread is coming out of, and then reinsert your needle again in that spot where the thread is already coming out of the fabric, and not pulling your needle through to the back of the fabric, just hook a little section of it under your needle and then wrap that thread around. And again, you want to wrap this thread in the same direction every time you do it. So I'm wrapping from the left side of my needle around to the right. You want to make sure you do it in the same direction, but it doesn't really matter which direction feels more comfortable for you. Reinsert your needle over the top of the link, back down in the hole that the thread is coming out of. Wrap, pull your needle out, scooch that chain link out of the way, hooking your working thread over the edge of the link and creating the next stitch. Continue in this way for the whole length of your chain stitch line.